You'll see organizations that have either heavy compliance rules in the ERP or multiple ERPs that are responsible for different fulfillment of different goods and services. Organizations, particularly in manufacturing, have grown through mergers and acquisitions. Right. And the back office is oftentimes a little labyrinth, if you will. So tying all that together to enable your sales team to basically fulfill what the customer's asking for isn't always easy. So we're trying to think of revenue operations really as an engagement layer on top of that back office plate of spaghetti, if you will.
Sure.
It's a layer to stitch together your different ERPs and your different back office functions.